I hope you're not here to kill goblins. If you are, we'll have a problem. My friend is in that camp. Marq. He's lost his mind. The goblins stole Marq's special brew. Expensive stuff. Losing it broke him. He went mad and ran off to join his tribe. Crazy, isn't it? He's mad as a Bosmer. Won't listen to a word I say. I'll make you a deal. Find Marq. Convince him to come back. I'll trade you some gold and we'll both walk away happy. Start by looking for Marq's special brew. If any is left, the smell might make him slightly less crazy. Fermentation, flowers, a number of other things you don't want to know about. Tastes like honey but kicks like a horse. If he sold it, he'd be rich, but he just drinks it all. Start by looking for Marq's special brew. If any is left, the smell might make him slightly less crazy.
There's really no such thing.
See what's around the next bend. No remorse!
Need meat. Oh, go away. Brew. Yes. Where did you get it? That smell. Wait. Where am I? What am I wearing? I remember now. Too much root pulp. Less kick, more crazy. Grubby was right. I'm out of my gourd. Things are starting to make sense again. I'm not spending another minute in this camp. Thank you, friend.
This is a great area for harvesting.
Where's Mark? Did he listen to you? You gave him... Damn! He ran off to drink it all himself, didn't he? I have to get back to town. Take this and thank you, friend. That fool better have saved some for me.
Cities are as alive, fickle, and uncertain as people. Some are good, some are bad. Some give you gifts, others rob you blind. What do you think you'll make with that?
Ha! You won't be sober in the morning.
I miss those goblins. The food was free, and clothing was optional.
Mark's special brew is all gone, but the house stuff's not too bad.